Hello, I'm Eva from the Vector support team, and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your new Vector license with a Vector license client to transfer it to another device. Let's say you have activated GNU on a Vector keyman, but now decide that it's better to activate this license on a Vector interface instead. So what actions do we need to do? Now we start the Vector license client from the Windows Start menu. After we plug in the Vector keyman, we see the licenses that are active on it. Mark the licenses you want to deactivate for transfer. We do this here with the licenses for GNU and the option. So I click Deactivate. You see a prompt to send the request to the Vector license activation server. If you don't get this prompt, your Vector license client cannot connect to the Vector license activation server. In this case, you might modify your proxy settings under Settings. If this doesn't help, for example because of a firewall restriction, you will be guided through the offline deactivation at this point. Now stop here before you click on Send Request. To tell the Vector support team which license they shall release so that you can activate it on another device, you need to know the Vector license ID. It's a good idea to copy it from here, so you don't have to look it up in the delivery information. Or you use the Export to CSV function and attach that file. When you have noted the Vector license ID, you can click on Send Request, which will deactivate the license. The license is now deactivated, but still reserved for this license carrier. We, from the Vector support, can now clear this assignment when you tell us to do so. Then you can activate the license on another device. Please use our online report form on vector.com or write us under support@vector.com. And please remember to tell us the Vector license ID. As soon as we've removed the assignment, we let you know, and then you can activate the product on another license carrier. In this course, the Vector support team will inform you which activation key to use. This was the online deactivation for a transfer of a new Vector license. This process works very similar for all Vector software products that support the new Vector license model. For further information, including more tutorials, for example how to activate it, please visit our Vector knowledge base under kb.vector.com/licensing.